Hello everyone. So during this pandemic, all of us are stuck at home because of the nationwide lockdown with our families. But it's not the same for the medical workers like doctors, nurses, and compounders. These medical workers are fighting this virus from the forefront. This creates a huge risk to their lives because of the continuous interactions with the affected patients. This problem is much larger than it seems like. Did you know that over 25,000 health workers worldwide and over 3,000 health workers in India have been affected with this coronavirus? I am Rushil Debbad and I'm currently studying in Chirek International School Grade 9. My project's name is V Support and my project aims to solve the lack of medical safety equipment for the government hospitals in Anantapur district and in Rangareddy district. Before the outbreak of the COVID-19 virus, I was pursuing a totally different project which was about solving the problem of lack of clean drinking water for the underprivileged. But after the outbreak of this virus, I decided to change and pivot my project with accordance to the COVID-19 virus. That's when I came across multiple articles which spoke about the medical staff getting affected with the coronavirus due to interactions with the COVID-19 patients without sufficient safety medical equipment. After a few months, me along with my entire family were sent under institutional quarantine because most of our family members were tested positive with this virus. So during this time, I was periodically checked and examined by doctors and nurses who were well geared with medical safety equipment. I saw that they were fearlessly doing this out of self-interest to help the society and not out of any sort of compulsion. They were risking their lives to save many others. The doctors who were taking care of us were having enough medical safety equipment to safeguard themselves. But then the sad truth is that many other doctors and nurses who are working in government hospitals lack even the basic medical safety equipment. This would create a huge risk to their lives if they continue to interact with the affected patients without sufficient safety medical equipment. I realized that if the people who are taking care of us are affected with this virus, then no one will be able to treat us. And that's when and why I chose this topic for my project. I have identified 50 plus government hospitals in Rangareddy district and Anantapur district which lack the safety medical equipment. I have procured the necessary medical safety equipment and have distributed them to over 9 hospitals and have impacted over 2,125 people. I've also had over 75 donor interactions and have distributed medical equipment worth about 1,54,000 rupees. I've faced multiple challenges throughout this journey. Challenges like getting timely appointments with doctors, persuading donors, and finding trustworthy vendors. I was also really shocked by the fact that 2 of the doctors who I had approached were tested positive with this virus. This has been a wonderful and successful experience for me, though I faced multiple challenges throughout. I thank 1&1 for giving me this wonderful opportunity to help the society. I would also request everyone watching me right now to help support and fund my project. Your generous funds and support can do wonders in ensuring the safety of all the medical health workers who are risking their lives in order to save ours. Thank you.